Welcome to our first sprint review for an app called MathMindset that is being developed by Ritwik Babu and myself, Alex Murphy, at the University of New Haven. We will begin by demonstrating our interactive wireframe that we put a lot of time into to help us get a strong feel for the app's user experience. This was done in Figma. This is the first thing that the user will see when they open the app. The placeholder, logo, numbers are fun, all things to excite the user about the app, and telling them that there's a leaderboard for them to compete on. Now once the user clicks get started, they will be taken into a stock standard sign-in page, complete with Google authentication that we plan to program. Some features we are planning to have is forgotten password resetting using email address, or if they're using Google, Google will take care of that. Biometric auth we plan to incorporate, as well as a stay signed in feature just to reduce hassle with signing in. And this is the information we plan on getting from the user when they create an account. Once they log in, here is what they might see depending on their progress with solving problems of the day and solving problem sets and quizzes. In the top left, you see their streak counter, and the top right is something that we've called for now primes, which just represents how many quizzes they've done successfully. Here you can see our roadmap for solving problems and testing yourself on a topic. This one is called arithmetic. And they're gray if they're not completed yet. And then there's a problem of the day. So here's an example of what a problem might look like. The problem with text and image, and then multiple choice answers. Anyways, the answer is 15, and the user loves to see the celebration.
Once the user completes all of the problems within a given topic, they have the option to take a quiz. The quiz works in a similar way as all of the different problems, except that to see your total score, you need to submit all the questions. That's when you see the final score. This is what the leaderboard page looks like, where the user can compare how they fare with other users based on their score or their streak. And finally, there's the profile page, which has some statistics for the user, and the badges. These badges can be obtained by completing all the problems and taking the quiz for each topic. There's a settings page where you can toggle between different settings. And then finally, the user management page where they can update their account information. Taking a look at the database schema, we have 4 main collections. The first is the users collection, which houses the information for each user, which contains their username, their score, their progress, etc. Then we have the questions collection, which has the topics sub-collection, and each topic sub-collection will have different problems. So each problem document will store the question itself, the different choices, and the correct answer. Then we have the leaderboard collection, which houses the top 50 users and each user's information. Then finally, we have the daily problems collection, which houses the problem set for the problem of the day section, and these problems will be rotated randomly. We also include a metric for storing how many users were able to get that problem correctly.
I will demonstrate that we have made some progress on actually generating math questions and their solutions. This is just for factoring. The text is really just the problem and its answer. So how do you factor 6x plus 4? You factor out a 2. These are just randomly generated second degree polynomials, or in some cases first and even, just first degree polynomials. So there's always 2 terms that they factor into. And here is an incomplete, but you get the idea for how the user might see a math problem appearing. The graphics obviously don't work, but the problem does. We do plan on increasing the complexity of the answers instead of just changing signs. All right, thank you for listening to our sprint review, and we will catch you next time.